What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here. We're about to find the inverse of f of x and also g of x here. Two examples, double the fun. It's going to be awesome. All right, so for inverses, we got to swap our x and y, or x's and y's if there's multiples, in the equation and resolve for y. On a graph, we'd see our x and y coordinates switch places from the regular function to the inverse. The same occurs in our equations. All right, I personally like to rewrite it as y equals first so that I can clearly see my x's and my y's. Sometimes that function notation makes things a little tricky. Now I have y equals, I'm going to swap my x and y's. So I'm going to have x equals y plus 4 over 3. And now I need to resolve for y. To do so, I'm going to multiply by 3 on both sides. So I got 3x, these are gone, and I got equals y plus 4. Last thing, I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides, and I get y equals 3x minus 4. And we'd really notate that with a little negative 1 there. That's the inverse. Or better yet, let's rewrite it as f inverse of x equals, and I've got 3x minus 4. That is my inverse of my f of x function. Woo-hoo-hoo! Dang, dogs. One mo. We got the time, baby. We got the time. Same dealio. I'm going to rewrite it as y equals first. This is personal preference. You do not have to do this step. Now I'm going to swap my x and y. So I got x equals 2y minus 7. I'm going to add 7 on both sides to start solving for that y. We get x plus 7 equals 2y. And I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. And I'll get y equals x plus 7 divided by 2. We're going to have a little negative 1 there. We could rewrite this as, we got g of x, right? G inverse of x equals x plus 7 over 2. You may also see this one written a little bit differently. You may see still the inverse notation, but instead breaking it up into 1/2 x plus 7 over 2. Either one of these is acceptable. Right? You are not wrong if you write it one way or another, but you may see like a multiple choice question written in this way or the other way, right? So you need to be able to identify either one. That's it. That's pretty dope. Inverses with our basic linear functions. Dang, dogs. Inverses, we just tip of the iceberg right here. All right. Have a wonderful and fantastic day. And remember, YOLO, you only run once. See you.